Let your bank account grow while you sleep. Yes, you heard it right. Today I will tell you 7 investments that can make your bank account grow while you sleep, and you will be amazed to know that 80% of the Americans are relying on a single paycheck jobs. You have to multiply your paycheck sources because it's the time of 2026, and you need to adjust your expenses, your investments, and your source of income. Before starting the video, hello everyone, my name is Ankur Malhotra. Welcome to the our channel Fin with Ankur. Here we provide free education for the people of United States, and this is episode number 20 of our financial series. Let's get started to the 7 ideas which can make you quite rich. Let's get started. ETFs, covered call ETFs. Think of a basket of stocks, but instead of waiting for the price to go up, fund managers sell options on the stock. They collect fees and pass the cash directly to you. Number 2 is REITs. Most of you know this. It's REITs. Don't want to deal with tenants? Try REITs. These are companies that own real estate like retail, industrial, or even farms. By law, they must pay 90% of their profit to you. Number 3, government bonds. Looking for safety for a lower rate of interest, you should go for government bonds. You are essentially lending the money to the government. That is quite safe, and you will go with almost zero risk with 5 to 6% return. Investor number 4, physical real estate. If you want to go big, then invest in physical real estate for the rental income. Investor number 5, physical real estate means a real estate with the physical area, but number 5 is real estate funds. If you want to invest in real estate funds, there are many companies which you can invest for the real estate funds. There are platforms like Fundrise. They let you invest in big deals with less capital. Number 6 is high yield saving account, HYSA. Stop leaving your money in a standard bank account and earning 0.5%. HYSA will earn you around 5%. Number 7, owning a business. Owning a business is difficult, but owning a cart is rather easier. Then start with a cart. You will have the experience and you will have all the joy of working as per your requirement. These are the 7 investment steps or schemes, or you can say the goals of your life which you can adopt for to earn as much as your paycheck. This is it for the video. You are watching Win with Ankur, and see you tomorrow.